Here at East Sales, Maine, we offer a variety of services for young children, for the most part, with special needs and their families. We have a team of professionals that work with the families to help to meet the special needs of each child, and we do that in a number of different ways. We work with children in their homes. Most of those children are under the age of 3. We work with children in programs, and we work with children in clinic settings here at our facility in Portland. We have begun to address the developmental needs of children from the ages of 2 to 5 in what we call a 4-tiered preschool program. And our options for teaching those children are on a 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and 3-to-1 student-to-teacher ratio.
We've just opened up our 4th classroom this week, and so our program right now ranges from toddlers. We have 5 little toddlers, all with a provisional diagnosis of autism, and that classroom is a 1-to-1 ratio, so there's a teacher for each child. This program really believes in supporting children individually, making plans that support each child, not the classroom as a whole, to help them progress as rapidly as possible. And when a classroom is no longer appropriate for the child, then we are able to move them on to what we call a less restrictive classroom. Therapies are also integrated right in the classrooms. We have speech therapists and occupational therapists that do the majority of the children's therapies within the classroom, and which is a fabulous way to both assist the teachers in learning, about their services, their goals and objectives for those specific domains.
What I do on a day-to-day basis is work with children and their families on stimulating speech and language and helping kids learn how to communicate better using gestures like sign language. That could be using pictures to communicate. That could be working specifically on sound production.
Learning through play is the best way to help kids become successful in their environment. Occupational therapy is helping people, and in this case in pediatrics, helping children be successful within their environments. Basically what we do is focus on their motor development and milestones, and doing that in several different ways. We focus a lot on sensory integration, which is helping children strengthen their sense of touch, their sense of balance, and their sense of body awareness and where their body is in space.
And we see children who are showing some sort of delay in their gross motor skills primarily. And what we want to do is work with those children to maximize their potential. We also, along with working with the children, we work with the caregivers, giving them suggestions on what that they can do with their child throughout the week or when we're not there.
Easter Seals Vocational Services assist disabled adults and high school students age 18 and older with finding employment in the communities in which they live.
When you're successful at a job, it builds your self-confidence, and you feel good about yourself. And he actually was smiling and working faster.
We work with the students and the adults doing job readiness, which would include resume building, interview prep, and we also conduct job searches for our clients. Our goal is to match our clients' skills with the needs of the employers. So we want to have suitable employment for the client that also meets the needs of the employer. The other piece that we offer is job coaching, which is on-site support and training. We are there at the place of employ, assisting the client to help them learn the job and to keep the line of communication open with the managers or whoever their immediate supervisor may be, just to make sure everything is going smoothly.
We faded out just because I think his self-esteem and confidence in himself really, he blossomed. He just blossomed.
People would like to learn more about vocational services, they can give me a call at 828-0754.
We have been in the state of Maine since 2003, so that makes it 3 years, and are beginning to establish ourselves in both in terms of reputation and what we can offer the community here, and it has been an exciting opportunity to network with other community providers.